Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store, but before, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and be aware that you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, check our tutorial. So now simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage. And here we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously downloaded apps which needs to be updated. And you can choose which one you'd like to update. So in my case, for example, Google Chrome, Google Drive, and Google Maps. After marking them, of course, you can mark all. Simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now your device will download the updates. And after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.